In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone comment-only access to a file in Google Drive and how to manage that access afterwards. Sharing files on Google Drive can be incredibly useful, especially for collaboration, but sometimes you want to limit the level of access others have to your documents. By granting comment-only access, you can allow others to provide feedback without altering the content of your file. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. You'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see all your files and folders. Navigate to the specific file you want to share. When you found it, go ahead and right-click on the file. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Share. This will open the Share dialog box. In the Share with People and Groups dialog, you'll see a field where you can enter the email address of the person you're intending to share the file with. Type in their email address. Now, look above where you entered their email, and you'll see a drop-down box indicating their permission level. By default, it might say Editor. Click on this drop-down and select Commenter. By choosing Commenter, you're allowing this person to view the file and add comments, but they won't be able to make any edits to the actual content. There's also an optional step where you can compose a short message to be sent along with the invitation, which can be helpful if you want to provide context about why you're sharing the document. Below the message option, you'll notice a checkbox that says Notify People. If checked, the person will receive an email notification about the sharing. Decide if this is necessary for your situation and check or uncheck the box accordingly. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Send or Share to finalize the process. Now, let's talk about managing or altering that comment-only access if needed. Should you ever decide to change the permissions or revoke access entirely, start by right-clicking on the file in Google Drive again and select File Information. Then go to Security Limitations. A new pop-up window will appear. In this window, find and click on Manage Access. In the Manage Access section, you'll see a list of everyone who currently has permission to access your file. Next to each person's name, there's a drop-down menu allowing you to change their permission level, like switching from commenter to viewer or to editor. If you want to remove their access completely, there's also an option to do that by clicking Remove. If you've shared this file with a link that grants access to anyone who has it, you can conveniently adjust those permissions in the General Access section to control whether link holders can view, comment, or edit. And there you have it. Granting and managing comment-only access in Google Drive is a straightforward process, helping you keep control over your documents while still engaging in collaborative work. Thank you for joining me, and happy sharing.